So I have Stephy's girls nursing Taffy, and I recollared them today, and I did my very, very bestest to get. I knew some for sure, but I've got to go back and check and make sure that Ashley was the other fawn. I think she was. I've got videos. Anyway, so these girls are nursing Taffy. Taffy's puppies. They were not getting as fat, so I put them on Stephy. Taffy's milk must not be as fatty as the other girl's milk. She's giving milk. She's being so good. Taffy got a new collar. Mommy, you got a new collar. So I know for sure this was Alyssa. That was the dark red. And Anna was a fawn. I'm pretty sure I've got them all back. They're almost big enough to microchip. Amanda has a huge white chest. I know she had the whitest chest. And Aaliyah was red. So if I got anybody mixed up, it would have been Alexa and Ashley, but I don't think I did. I'm going to go back and see some old video. Here's the thing, they're microchipped before we pick our puppies, so there's no mixing them up once I microchip them. Alyssa, I didn't realize you had a dark tail. You got a dipstick tail. Opal in the Cali litter has white right here on her tail. She's easy to pick out. So bull mastiffs are a little easier to tell apart than Bordeaux's. They're all red, right? Now I didn't realize that Anna's got a little bit of overspray too. But so does Ashley.